Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the next storage class is a register storage class. In this case, the data is stored in a CPU register. Data is stored in a CPU register. Second point, the initial value of such variable is a garbage value. The initial value of such variable is garbage. Next, the scope of this variable is local. Scope of the variable is local. That is, it is limited to the function in which it is defined. Local means it is defined, limited to the function in which it is defined. The life of such variable is till the control remains in the particular function. Control remains in the particular function where it is defined. We declare, next point, we declare the variable with the register keyword. These are the main important parts in a storage class. First of all, it is stored, or data is stored in CPU register. Initial value of such variable is garbage value. Scope of the variable is local. Life of such variables is till control remains in the particular function where it is defined, and we declare the variable with the register keyword. For example, here we can declare register keyword and integer I. In this case, the data is stored in a small memory inside the processor is called as register. In this case, data is stored in a small memory. In small memory is called as a register. The advantage of such storage class is that the data is in the processor itself. It accesses and operations of such data is faster. It accesses the data faster because the data is in the processor itself. Instead of storing the variable in the normal memory, it stores the machine's register. Register is a temporary memory attached with the CPU. If we store the data in the register, then the speed of accessing variable becomes very faster. Generally, it accepts integer or character data type. Of variables in the register type of value. The register type of variable generally used for the loop to run the program or loop for fast. There is a limitation on the size of the data that can be declared to be register storage class. The data should be such that it does not require more than 4 bytes. it does not require more than 4 bytes. Hence, double and long double data type cannot be declared as a register. So that double and long double data type cannot be declared as a register. And the next limitation of register class is that a maximum of 3 register class variable can be declared in a function. The advantages is it accesses the data faster because it generally accepts the integer and character type of variable, and limitation is that on the size of the data, means it does not require more than 4 bytes. So long data type and double data type, long double and double data type cannot be declared as a register, and maximum of 3 register class variables can be declared in a function. This is all about the register storage class. Thank you.